We're excited about the future for hydrogen, and right now we see hydrogen at its takeoff point for the industry. My name is Michael Ducker. I am Senior Vice President and Head of Hydrogen Infrastructure for Mitsubishi Power. Hydrogen infrastructure is really Mitsubishi's vision to be the tip of the spear in what is becoming a burgeoning space in the clean energy sector. The challenge we're trying to solve today is looking not just at within a day of how we balance renewable energy, but now we're looking at how do we bridge the gap between where we have seasons of overproduction of renewable energy to seasons of underproduction. And that's actually where hydrogen can play a fundamental role as an energy storage resource to better help bridge that gap. So specifically what we're building at our ACES Delta Hydrogen Hub is all of the components necessary to both produce and store clean hydrogen. This site will actually be the largest site globally for storage of any kind of hydrogen, let alone clean hydrogen. This hydrogen, it will be storing in these massive salt caverns. Each one is the size of the Empire State Building. With just 2 caverns, we will store 300 gigawatt hours of dispatchable, carbon-free energy. To put that in perspective, the entire United States right now has just over 3 gigawatt hours of lithium-ion batteries that have been installed. So if you think about that, 100 times the entire United States installed capacity of batteries, we've got in 2 caverns on our site. And none of this would have been possible were it not for the unprecedented amount of collaboration that we saw throughout this process. And that is something that's fundamental, not just for this project in ACES Delta, but in everything we're doing in the hydrogen industry going forward. We really see hydrogen at its takeoff point in the industry. And we're excited about the role that we've played at Mitsubishi Power in developing our ACES Delta project to all the other projects we have under development right now. And we truly hope that these projects serve as both an inspiration and a model for how to develop in this clean energy space and how to bring projects of this scale, this magnitude, and this complexity to the finish line. And we look forward to working with other stakeholders to help make that a reality.